Yeah. Kinda like with Seattle too, they had their kinda peak, at least in the '90s. Everyone knew the Seattle sound, and Nirvana, of course, was huge. But they still have a great music scene here, but really great bands have come from Seattle. So that's cool to be in that area to see that.
Yeah, definitely. I remember James, we saw that movie Singles with Matt
Oh,
Dillon.
yeah.
That was cool. I think that sort of captured the entire Seattle rock scene in the early
Yeah.
90s. I think Pearl Jam and Soundgarden, Eddie Vedder, they were in the movie.